Next up here is going to be with Cash App. Now, Cash App is also great for beginner investors. It's a 0 account minimum and $0 fees as well. You can invest as little as $1. Again, that is the fractional shares. So you can buy any stocks that you want to go with as little as that $1. They also do have a roundup feature, very similar to Acorns. You can actually go ahead and invest that spare change with anything you use from your Cash App debit card. It is very, very simple and straightforward. There's not a lot of information on the app itself, so you do kind of want to go at it with a learning from other websites sort of deal. Now, it is a money transfer app, and the reason we want to mention that is if you utilize Cash App for transferring money back and forth with other people, you can effectively use that money that's transferred into your Cash App account instantly into your investing side of things. And you can get up to a $15 bonus with signing up with Cash App. Now, next up here is going to be with Stash. Now, Stash also has a 0 account minimum. They also do allow for fractional shares. They have that really great roundup feature that allows that money extra to come in and deposit into small dollar amounts. And you can also see they do have a stock back card, which effectively is allowing you to utilize their card to be able to spend money and actually earn stocks back based off of where you spend your money. You can actually invest accounts up to 2 kids with their Stash Plus feature. So if you want to go ahead and have a custodial account, this will actually allow you to do so, again, with up to 2 kids. And the fees for this are going to be anywhere from $3 to $9 per month. If you want to do the custodial accounts, it will be that $9 per month.